In this episode, it is mid-November 2024, and we have been working on the bus for about 6 weeks. We've experienced some delays because we needed to order parts and because of life circumstances. Nevertheless, we soldiered on with the help of Divergent Diesel Solutions and the support of our family and friends.
I got distracted.
Distracted by your beautiful wife?
Yeah. Well, I think this is actually even a new one. I don't even think it's a reman because it's more expensive than $250.
That's probably a reman.
It shouldn't be leaking, and it shouldn't have had loose bolts in the box.
No, it definitely should not have.
It's really puzzling. Of course, we found out after we put new coolant in.
We're living life on the road in a vintage bus.
Hi, I'm Victor.
And I'm Andrea. Our journey began in illness, searching for places we could heal.
We don't know where we're going, but we're finding moments of joy along the way. Pouring it through a rag. Clean rag. Is that a bad idea?
Not horrible.
So brand new.
I've heard
color coordinated. It's cute.
worse ideas.
It's Green Day.
Apparently. Gurgling stopped in the radiator, so I'm okay. Or in the down plates.
down there.
Alright, so come down from there.
I need to close this up first, or you want the air on the vent?
I want it to vent.
Would you?
Yeah.
Okay.
With this system, it shouldn't have to be burped, but don't have to.
Yeah, I got it.
Engine run, rear start. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Beautiful.
That's a good start.
So we need to get all of this stuff lubed up.
Yeah.
Even your throttle is.
Yeah. Well, we have the throttle springs also.
Yeah, like the link.
But
the linkage is all.
I know, and I can tell that one. This hasn't been treated.
Yeah, and I don't think that's. Oh God. That's why your belt's. Serious injury can occur.
Are we nuts? What the hell?
Yes, we are. But
We do this without hurting ourselves, man.
I mean, it's really not that heavy.
Famous last words.
I want to give it a test bolt really quick. Oh yeah, we're good.
It's just.
It's just cumbersome.
Yeah, exactly.
So I think that's the plan. Ow. Is to pull it this way.
Tidbit.
Yup.
I want to set something here so it doesn't go through the.
Do you have something you can set there that might, like a weird piece of plywood? I mean,
It's nothing. Maybe if it's too. It just spreads the weight around.
yeah. So that's the plan. We're gonna tilt it this way because this, if we hinge it just right and keep control of it,
Yeah.
this bar should catch it as it swings over.
Right.
So let me get adjusted here. All right, ready?
That's reasonable. Yep.
So,
Alright. Which?
yep, just like that. Now, I'm gonna pick up. Can you grab it from the bottom so you can put weight,
I have weight. I have a handle.
like down there,
Yeah.
further down?
I've got it on the back side.
Okay,
Yep.
ready?
Yep.
Lift. All right, hold on. Let it down. Down, down, down. All right. All right.
It's hooked on the.
We don't want to break that. We just put that in.
Exactly.
All right. So let's put it upright again. Okay. Now
Stuck in.
I'm stuck in here.
Yeah.
All right. So
That's-
I'm gonna get up on this. I'm gonna pick up with these. Once I get up here. All right. So we're just gonna. Yep. Got it.
Yep.
Go ahead. Down, 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 down. See, we're nothing.
Better safe than sorry, right?
Oh, this is a great wiring job back here.
Yeah, I know. I see that. That's
Shameful. So, what I would do,
That's. Well, what's wired into what? Because they're tapping off the stuff that's in here, but it's coming out of. So this
well, it probably
up,
goes to the other side, so I
goes
wouldn't.
up and goes over and over there. This is where it goes.
So this goes to your trailer harness. Yeah, they really can.
We really did a nice job on that.
But look how much room there is now. I don't know what this is for.
Some probably air vent for the old. There was a piece of it up here for the toilet. Here in the toilet.
I don't want to breathe that in though. Thanks, Victor.
At this point, Victor and Jeremy were digging deeper into the heart of the bus, pulling out the old heating and air conditioning, as well as reassembling one drive axle hub that had been off for 3 or 4 weeks. There was money to be made with scrap metal. Victor later took all of this to a scrapyard and got some money for it, which was nice to have. Speaking of money, he wasn't just working on the bus, he was also hustling to keep our money flow going so we could buy parts and eventually hit the road. While all of this work was happening, he was also working a roofing job.
Dead weight. Literally dead weight.
Literally. Probably we moved almost 1,000 pounds from the bus.
Between that and the compressor.
Yep.
Yeah. Compressor's over here. That used to be in here. Compressor ran off of these belts. We're gonna get more horsepower from the motor and less weight. That's the compressor there. And yeah, that weighs a few hundred pounds. It's crazy. And then there was no Freon in the system, and the heat didn't work, and the ducts were moldy, so no bueno for us.
A glimpse into the life of moldies, whatever. Mold sick people. We all thought this bus was the right bus. And really, I think it was. We all felt that kind of intuitively. But we were so naive to think that a 40-year-old vintage bus wouldn't have mold in it. Even though it's all metal, it's made predominantly of metal, it had air conditioning. And in the summertime, when the humidity came up, I started to smell mold. Not to mention the fact that our teenager got horribly worse when we moved in. The bus is not as moldy as the house, but maybe it's a different kind of mold. Maybe it's more concentrated. Maybe it's not the mold that made our teenagers sick. Yesterday, Victor and Jeremy, our mechanic, tore out the air conditioning. And the moment that they ripped that heavy metal thing out, and I heard them remarking on the disgusting moldy mouse nests that were in it, the teenager woke from a nightmare about dying and felt like they had a seizure and like a very dramatic reaction at that moment. And I have this weird theory, which I know people share with me, which is that mold is somehow, I don't want to say it's sentient, but it has some kind of awareness, some kind of, maybe it's not even awareness, but like it's compelled to keep living, and it somehow has intelligence, and it will get into a being and it will take over. Like, not like the cordyceps in The Last of Us, but almost. I mean, it's almost zombie level.
Let the sparks fly once again.
So I've had that theory, and then this just was a really interesting confirmation of that. And now, ever since that got pulled out, they are much, much worse, much sicker, more histamine, more everything. And you know, when you're going to be pulling mold out of something, you're supposed to do it under containment and like in a vacuum. And they didn't do that because they didn't even really think about it. So, you know, is that circulating all through the bus now? Probably.
Moving. Wow, that's as big as the one on the door.
On dirt.
Yeah.
Dust.
40 years of yuck. Okay, so I think we have to come out this probably is easiest. Oh, right. Come towards me or yeah.
Yeah, go towards it. There we go.
All right, that works.
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. I think that heater was already on its way out, so
Didn't mean to.
it's okay. Figure that out.
Do you have more?
If I don't, Lowe's does, and it's fine. We'll figure it out.
I feel really bad now.
No. There was a very good chance that heater wasn't going to work anyway, so it seemed like it's dying until I can work on it. So.
All right.
Oh, man. This is so gross. That is nasty rodent mess. Nasty rodent. Anybody home? Wow. Wonder how old that McDonald's straw is.
Probably very, very, very.
Oh, I see. They made that hole right over the other drain. They made their nest, I mean. There's a vintage McDonald's straw.
The what?
Vintage McDonald's straw, I think.
Probably worth $100.
Isn't that like a McDonald's or other?
Yellow and red. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, those are non-existent. Can't get those anymore. Yeah, that is just disgusting.
Get away.
I wonder how long it'll be before cats find it to smell it. Yeah, I mean, this is probably, what, 300-400
Yeah.
pounds. The compressor.
200.
200, yeah. And then, like, probably a
150.
100 or, yeah.
100, 150 for that.
This one's lighter, but
Plus that fan motor.
yeah. Yeah, that, right. And then there's all that. More than, yeah. And this is in pretty good shape overall.
Mm-hmm.
This is what 40 years of dust on an air conditioner looks like. I don't know what this thing's called. It's a radiator or something. Can you imagine if we turned this on and this air circulated through the bus? We didn't, thank God. And there's some, probably the remnants of a mouse nest and mouse pee and stuff, and then that gets moldy. Anyway, I won't make you stare at this for too long, but that was underneath the front of the bus, underneath where the teenager sleeps.
Yeah, I got it. Let's be good people and clean our tools.
Yeah, it's a good idea to not put dirt right into
You don't
the
need
grease.
the keyboard warriors. You're supposed to clean that.
You guys didn't clean that.
You didn't clean that. You didn't do that.
You just put dirt in your grease bearings. It's gonna ruin it.
I was a mechanic. I wouldn't do it that way. Oh, he didn't spin the fucking hub.
Oh, yeah. Everybody knows.
Oh, she's a tight one.
Yeah.
I'm not even close to fucking.
Oh. Yeah, that doesn't have very much. 200, right? Oh, no.
We're not even close to that.
Might just be getting it all seated back in where it's supposed to be.
Yeah. Go.
There. Yeah. Yeah. Two.
Go.
Almost. So turning it just distributes the pressure through the bearings.
Yeah, so you're not grooving the bearings into the races. It helps just seat everything.
Yeah.
You don't want to indent your races.
Right.
It's 250.
That's wow. Yeah, it's still tight, but it turns.
All right.
Yeah. That helps make the quarter turn easy.
Back on the quarter.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Like that.
We're gonna go
Feels like
a butt hair more because when we put
that'll turn it.
the outer nut,
It'll tighten up as it tightens.
probably should go a little bit more out, but
I can kind of wonder if that mark will be visible or not. If you can see it turning.
you'll see it turn. Not like that. Oh, look at that.
There you go. Boom. So it has a notch and a stud lock washer.
Actually, might need to
Grind that off.
grind that off.
Yeah, it didn't really move much. Let's see the orientation of it.
I find it really hard to put. I hate hubs. I lose so much sleep over doing hubs.
What's too tight and what's not tight enough.
I liked it.
Yeah. It seems, why now? It seems good to me.
Exactly. 'Cause you don't know.
Exactly. It's a new blade. Just pull it. Those are heavier than shingles.
You can leave that right there for the moment.
Alright.
Brake clean.
Yep.
Because it looks really heavy.
It is really heavy.
Card says
I mean, why not?
the oil on them will glaze your brakes,
Yeah.
and then you won't have any brakes.
Why make something that has to be burned off instead of just starting it clean to begin with? I could see that it's treated inside with oil to keep it from rusting. So,
I like to clean them,
you want to rag
and
it
then I'll spray them again
and let it just dry.
and just let it dry.
Yeah.
Actually, I might.
Clean rag.
No, I'm gonna just save the rag for when it really.
Right.
And then this time I'll spray it.
There's some residual, but I guess it's just
staining.
I think that's have fiber left over.
Well, the pink rag would do.
Yeah.
It'd probably be a lot more.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so there's that.
Alright.
Sure the tip of this is.
There.
Oh my god.
Cones.
So exciting.
This has been awesome. 3-4 weeks now.
It's been an awful 3 or 4 weeks.
Yeah. Yes. Oh man. Code 1, 2, 4.
You want to sort out the cones?
Yep. There they are. It's a lock washer from something.
Should be for the axles. I think they're all lock washers. They're just.
These are bigger ones. shoes.
Is it?
Are they the right side? No.
Can you get to them from underneath?
Yep.
That's hard.
But not very easily.
It's better than pulling everything apart.
They're tight on there now, right? I mean, wrench. I don't know about wrench or other.
Yeah, these wrenches just can split. Yep. God damn it. Yeah, it just bends open.
Oh, okay.
So see how it's spread?
Let's see.
If I can fit my crescent wrench in there, I don't know if it will. So can I have that wrench back now that this is tight or loose?
Yeah.
Man, that was almost.
You have one of the watches.
That's why I don't like so much time between.
Oh, absolutely, I get it. It's I totally understand.
Even at work, they're like, "Oh, tear it apart. The
Yeah.
parts will be here in 2 days." No, I'm not tearing it apart because
No.
this is what happens.
Right. It absolutely. I'm 100% with you on that one. Does not make sense.
Because I did not want to tear that thing back apart.
And we just got a seal on there and everything.
I would rather go to Harbor Freight than tear that apart.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. I was thinking the same thing.
Crisis averted.
Yeah. Just a short delay. Crisis averted. Back to your regular
Scheduled
schedule.
program. Spare it for a second. I think this is the one that got hit. Oh yeah, there's that. So that's fine. Ready?
just bending. It's not actually tightening.
That beep is.
I know. I'm just watching that. It's the handle's bending to get to that, but
This maxes out at 300, so
the nut isn't actually spinning at all.
that's fine.
It's good. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
That gun will torque to like
Yeah. Well, I mean, they're up
450, 500.
Right.
When I do 450 on tires at work,
Yeah.
I barely have to torque,
Right.
and that's at 450.
Yeah.
Most important thing is I do a cross,
Yeah. And then right.
and then I just go around.
Okay. So you get 4 in, and then it's like
Yeah, because you're
less.
actually centering the rim. See how the rim?
Yeah.
I'll go back to the other one again. Keep running it down. Keep going. So now you're not getting any movement out of the socket. Now go back to your, yep. Good. Now to your top star, or your top cross. I could give you the extension, but it doesn't do as much torque.
That's all right.
Good job, Victor.
Oh, it's longer.
Is it longer than the socket?
Yeah.
I just start at the top and then work my way around. Always hit the end of this torque stick. Don't use any other place on it.
Oh, that's my turn.
And you should never bounce a torque stick either. Come on, Victor. It's only 250 pounds.
I don't even weigh that much. If I put my whole weight on there, it wouldn't be that much.
Come on, Victor. So let me show you. So if you have a turn, if you get a turn before you get torque,
Yeah.
then just again twice, just to make sure that that is torqued.
Oh, this one.
You're a man now.
Torque to bus wheels.
You're a man now.